So I'm here now in coffee shop. Hey. So shout out to Girly. Hello Girly. Thank you for that treat. Yeah, I buy taho. Like taho. It's like this. So there's no the one that taho that I want, but I just don't have available right now. So I buy other one, other. Mm-hmm.